How to make money while traveling the world. Most people think traveling and making real money are mutually exclusive. They're dead wrong. I'm going to show you exactly how to make between $2,000 and $15,000 a month, while literally anywhere on Earth. And the best part? You can start this week. I'm talking about actual strategies that Americans are using right now to fund perpetual travel while building wealth. Not some get-rich-quick fantasy. Real income. Real freedom. Let's go. Part 1. The Digital Service Play. Here's the easiest entry point if you want to start traveling in the next 3 months. You take a skill you already have and you package it as a service for people who will pay premium prices. Freelance writing, graphic design, social media management, virtual assistants. These aren't sexy, but they're reliable. And here's what matters. You can charge Americans $50 to $150 an hour. Meanwhile, your cost of living in Southeast Asia is $800 to $1,200 a month. Do the math. Work 15 hours a week and you're banking $2,000 to $3,000 monthly while your expenses are literally 1/10 of what they'd be in the States. I know someone in Chiang Mai right now making $3,000 a month doing copywriting for e-commerce brands. She works 4 hours a day. That's it. The catch? You need a portfolio. If you don't have one, build it in 2 weeks. Create fake projects if you have to. Everyone starts somewhere. Then hit platforms like Upwork and Fiverr. Start with 10 applications a day. Your first client matters more than the perfect rate. Set up direct deposit to your Fidelity or whatever brokerage you use back home. We'll talk about why in a second. Part 2. The Content Creator Path. This is slower to start but potentially exponential. YouTube, TikTok, Instagram. If you create content about literally anything, travel, finance, fitness, cooking, you can monetize it while traveling. Here's the reality check. You need at least 1,000 subscribers on YouTube and 4,000 watch hours before you make a single penny from ads. That takes most people 3 to 6 months of consistent posting. But once you're in, you're earning passively. Someone in Bali can post a video about budget travel and make $500 in ad revenue while they sleep. Then there's sponsored content. Once you hit 10,000 followers on any platform, brands will literally pay you to mention their products. A travel creator with 50,000 followers can make $1,000 to $5,000 per sponsored post. The play here? Start before you leave. Build your first 1,000 subscribers from home. Then leave. Your growth accelerates because you're actually traveling and have genuine content. It's way easier to talk about travel advice when you're living it. Set up YouTube Partner Program with your US bank account. The money flows straight to Fidelity automatically. Part 3. The Investment Layer. Here's the part most travel creators skip and why they're making a mistake. You're making money. Now you have to deploy it intelligently or you're just spending it on pad thai every night while traveling. Max out that Roth IRA. Throw $1,500 a month into an S&P 500 index fund if you can. You have until April 15th for the previous year's contribution anyway. Over 20 years at 8% average returns. You're looking at over $500,000 in tax-free growth. That's not a side benefit. That's the entire point. Then take 20% of everything you make and throw it into a regular brokerage account. Fidelity, Vanguard, wherever. You're building an actual wealth machine, not just a travel fund. Most people travel for 2 years and come back broke. You're going to come back with $20,000 to $40,000 invested in the discipline to keep building. That's generational. Call to action. The point is this. Your location doesn't determine your income anymore. The internet changed everything. You can make American money with American costs but live with Asian expenses. That gap is where wealth gets built. Start this week. Pick one service you can offer or one content idea you can launch. Stop waiting for perfect conditions. Imperfect action beats perfect planning every single time. If this video helped you think differently about work and travel, smash that subscribe button. We post strategies like this every single week. You've got this.